This thing, I feel like I just birthed a child. I had to have my daughter to help me. Step by step, how to harvest your tower garden. This is a tower garden by Juice Plus. There are 20 slots on here where you can grow plants. And I'm just kind of really excited to show you all how to do this. All right. So I don't know if you can see, but there's the stem, and you have these little black pods. And what those are, and that's just basically what the seed sat in, and as it grew, it grows in these, they call them pots. They're plastic pots. So I'm going to take these dead leaves off, and you want to grab each side. You kind of want to squeeze it until, without breaking it, which is about what I'm going to do. And you kind of got to wiggle it out. I want to show y'all. Okay, so here we go. This here, I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna pull this over to me. This is all of the plant, all right? Now don't forget, this is our second cutting, so it's not as full as some of our other ones, and I'll show you. And there's actually still some roots that kind of pulled out. But this is all there is. You are able to grow all of this with no dirt. No dirt. And the cool thing about it is that you can grow something like this inside your home all year round. You don't have to worry about the weather, whether it's too hot or too cold. You don't have to worry about bugs and pests, at least not that I found at all. And you don't have to worry about making sure that your soil is right, if you have to add more of this and more of that and build on top. This is all there is. Now, these are the roots to all the roots. And the thing about the roots is that they say the wider it is, the healthier it is. And so all I'm going to do is pull this, and then I don't really care. What I'll do is I'll just compost this, which is, I just put that in my compost bin. And this is the pot, okay? This is the pot that it sits on. I'm gonna just set that right on top for a second. And this is it. This is the grow medium, and I'm telling you, these plants are amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just sit this right here, and I'm gonna pull another one out. Now this one has never been harvested or cut down, so I'm going to show you the difference of it. Okay, now, as you can see, here we go. Here's another one. This has never been harvested before. And this is so full, it's beautiful. This will make an incredible salad. And the taste, you can I wish you could smell it. The taste is so incredible. And I'm gonna set this down here for a second. Actually, I should have something I can just set it on. I don't have a table right now. Now, I'm gonna try to get the big boy out. This is my collards. And I want y'all to see how thick the stalk is, how healthy it looks. All of this is coming from just one pod. So, you just do the same thing. If I can get in here, this thing looks like it has completely taken over. Welcome back. This is the end result. I want to show you all of the harvest that I had just from that one tower. All of this right here on this side, all of this collard greens, this whole mess of collard greens right here. It's like a whole armful. Collard greens. Now, I will say I tried cabbage and my cabbage did not do well. I don't know what's going on with that. So we'll just try that one again. Cabbage didn't work. We've got the lettuces for salads for days. More salads. We have in the Swiss spinach. This is all the spinach. Of course, this is all I planted, but this is what we have right here. So that tower garden is able probably to feed 1 to 4 people, depending on how much greens a family eats. But this is, for right now, plenty for our family. So I just wanted to show you all the benefits of everything. And this is all fresh. No pesticides. It's really good. So once again, if you guys have any comments, please put them below. If you like this, if you found that this was useful or something that you didn't realize, please put it in the comments below what you learned from this video. And also check out our previous videos where we explain how to, how it works. Once you have harvested your lettuce, this is an example of all the lettuce that we've harvested from our tower garden. If you're curious, please check out our videos. But you want to ask yourself, so my question was, how do you store your lettuce so that it doesn't go bad? You want to take a Ziploc bag, gallon size, and line it with dry paper towels. Make sure that your lettuce is dry as well. And I don't know if you can see this. You can come closer, honey. I'm going to put my lettuce inside and line it. Just kind of spread it out some. Then you're going to basically layer your lettuce on top of each other. So you take another paper towel, you put it on top of that. And I would assume it keeps it fresh because it keeps the light. It's not being exposed to the light. Press it down. Take another handful of lettuce. Spread it out a little bit more. You may have to use a couple of Ziploc bags, depending on how much you have. So basically, this will probably keep in your refrigerator for maybe about a week. And then I'm going to line it one last time on top. This should keep it nice and fresh. You want to also make sure that you get all of the air out, because as you know, when oxygen gets to food, it tends to spoil quicker. And when you have something that's not been preserved by any chemicals and is fresh, it's going to spoil even quicker. So that is pretty much as simple as that. And then that way you can line it up. And this, guys, is how you will be able to preserve your lettuces. And I will give you an update as to how long this will actually stay fresh in the refrigerator. If you have any questions, put in the comments below. Thanks for watching.